Plastic pollution can now be found in the mother's womb, but how could this plastic affect the embryo? Scientists discovered that tiny plastics, called nanoplastics, can disrupt embryonic development by interfering with stem cells from which tissues and organs originate. In their study, the researchers injected 25 nanometer nanoparticles into chick embryos and observed their movement using microscopes. They found that the nanoparticles prevented neural crest stem cells from moving to their proper locations, which disrupted the early stages of development. These cells are critical for the formation of various organs and tissues, such as the heart, arteries, facial features, and nervous system. 1 in 4 chick embryos had abnormally small eyes, facial malformations, thinning heart muscles, slow heart rates, and neural tube abnormalities, which can disrupt the development of the early brain and spinal cord. While the quantities of nanoplastics in the study were higher than typical human exposure levels, the researchers warned that low-level exposure to nanoplastics is still problematic because of the way they bind to neural crest cells. In 2020, researchers detected microplastics in human placentas for the first time. The microplastics were found in all placental portions, including maternal, fetal, and chorioamniotic membranes. Microplastics carry with them substances that act as endocrine disruptors. These could cause long-term effects on human health. Researchers believe that the microplastics could have reached the placenta through the parent's respiratory system or gastrointestinal tract. Nearly 360 million metric tons of plastic were produced in 2018, a number expected to double by 2025. Studies like this one are only just beginning to sketch out the potential health impacts of plastic dust on animals as manufacturers churn out more of the stuff.